everyone, this is my favorite book. It's about the inside your body. Come on, let's read it together. This is your blood, and it got some good exercise in it. Also, this is your kidneys. And this bit is your bones. Your bones bits. Make the twin of your bones. It helps your arms move. Next page. Now we have to go this way. This is the mouth. This is the paw. They eat it with their hands. And then it gets almost up and then go down here. Mustache. And that's her.
It's her stomach, isn't it?
Her stomach. Her stomach makes her food almost up into ground. And then she needs to do, and then that's how big mountains, and the big mountains help her like the breathing. That's where the poo comes, and this is where the poo comes. Next page. Oh, we forgot to do.
What about your intestine?
Oh, your intestines.
Turn the page.
Turn the page.
Wow, what do you got here?
This is your lungs. And see, if we open this, that's your lungs. And this is your heart in the middle. And this is your...
I can't see. I'm not sure. That's the air tubes.
Air tubes. The air tubes make air
Help you breathe.
help you breathe.
Turn the page.
Air piece comes into here.
Okay, turn the page.
Not done yet.
Oh, sorry.
And then this is your blood.
Ooh, crazy.
Blood comes from here.
Ah, fabulous.
Look, this is the bottom of this. They're inside the heart.
Oh, great.
And
Why are you reading this book?
because I'm going to be a brain surgeon when I grow up.
Oh, great. Turn the page.
I'm not done yet. I need to do all of them.
Oh, sorry.
Nah.
That'll do. Next
I
page.
have to do this one.
Wow.
This is this little hair something.
Ooh.
Next page.
Oh, wow. What's this all about?
This is about
What is it saying? What is it doing? Pumping blood.
pumping blood. Your chest pumps blood everywhere. See, that's where your blood makes your vessels. And this is a slidey bit. It's kind of a blood vessel water slide.
Oh, crazy.
But this is where your blood makes up into blood vessels. So that's the blood vessel.
Is this interesting for you, Darcy?
Yep.
Oh, great.
And
You want to turn the page quickly? We've got running out of time.
And also, this is also that's your blood.
Okay, turn the page.
Page.
Wow.
This is a big human. He even has tires.
What's all that white stuff?
That's your whip page.
Rib cage. Wow.
And that's your bone over here. And then that's your bone attached there. And also the leg has been...
What are the red things? Can you tell me what the red things are? I think they're muscles.
Those are your muscles that are very stretchy.
Oh.
And your skull is almost like an arm.
Oh.
Your tongue,
These are all to do with your senses.
your senses. And babies use their tongue to food stuff.
Oh, okay. What's the other page do? What's that?
That's your ear.
Oh.
Your ear got lots of earwax and there's little hairs.
And what's this thing?
This is your hairs in your ear.
I think it's to do with your goosebumps.
That's your goosebumps. Your goosebumps help your ear and you don't pick it.
Okay. You want to turn the page?
Yeah, almost. I just had to do the eye. I need to do the eye.
Oh, okay.
Your eye can see everything.
Wow. That's crazy.
Okay. Your kidneys. This is where your blood gets clean. And your blood gets... And this is where you need to do a...
Oh, wow.
This is where your wee goes down.
Oh, crazy good. Okay, I think that's it. Do you want to say goodbye to everyone?
Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.